Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this design that you're seeing on the screen right now, which you can use to design your trousers, shirts, senators, sleeve. Just be creative with it, you understand? So without wasting much of your time, let's go into it. Normally, obviously you're going to need the material, and then you're going to need something that will form as the base, either a gum stay or a piece of paper. Here I'm using a gum stay. Now I want you to pay attention to the line I drew at the center. Now the width of this base is going to be how you want it to be. So if you want it to be 3, let the width be 3, and then likewise with the length. You measure, of course, you know the length of the design you want. If it's 30, then this should be 30 as well. Now we will cut the material into smaller particles. Here I have mine at 1.5 inches, which I'm going to fold to make something like a thread or something like a rope with it. And then, just like I'm doing in the video, as you can see right here, I'm going to sew both sides. I'm going to stitch both sides of it and then iron it, give it a good ironing and make it lap very, very well. So as you can see, after I've ironed it, this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to cut it with the measurement of the width. Remember, the width of the base we have is 2.5 inches. So I cut all of them at 2.5 inches, and now I'm stitching it following the center line, the line I made at the center of the base. So that is where my stitch is going to be, and I'm going to be following them up closely, closing every gap. There should be no gap between each of them, just as you can see in this video. So after I've done that, this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to be folding one to the right, the other to the left, and then I'll be sewing down parts. I'll sew the down part first, then I'll stitch the down part first, then I'll stitch the upper part later. Just as you can see in the video, I am stitching the down part now. Now what I'm doing at the right, I will do likewise to the left, but I will obviously not do the video for that. I hope you understand, because I'm trying to cut this video to make it as short as possible. So this is what it's going to look like after you have gotten to this extent. This is what it looks like. Now pay attention that I made this stitch at the down and at the up region. Now I'm going to attach it to wherever I want this design to be at. Now this is where I want this design to be, at the exact area, the lap area of my trouser. Now I've removed it, removed every base, whether the gum stay or the piece of paper. Once you have removed it, this is what you're going to have. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this content.